Hello everyone and welcome to my travel vlog. Today we would be going to Vazhachal and Athirapally Waterfalls, which is in the Trissur District of Kerala. So we started from Kochi today morning and it took almost an hour to reach Athirapally. So we are staying in the Nirmaya resort. So after freshening up in the morning, we have started for the falls. So first we are going to go to Vazhachal Waterfalls. From there on our way we would be seeing the Athirapally Falls. Now in the morning from the resort we had seen the waterfalls. The waterfalls is so beautiful, so mesmerizing. So we might not be going inside the Athirapally Falls, but we would see from the viewpoint. But we are going to go to the Vazhachal Falls. You can see the road, it's green on both the ends. So we are going through the forests. And here you would see boats almost on both the sides, which would be saying that there are animals, so you should limit your speed. So here is also one fall. I think we could see that in the monsoon, but now since it's summer it has dried up. Now we have reached the entry gate for the Vazhachal Waterfalls. So you can buy the tickets from here, and with this ticket you can also enter the Athirapally Waterfalls. So here we are. So we got tickets for 3 of us, and you also have to buy a separate ticket if you are carrying camera with you. So you have to pay extra 50 rupees for that. But since we are not having any camera, so we only bought our tickets. The roads are so beautiful, it's green everywhere. We were actually mesmerized by the nature, how green it was. And as we were saying that there are boats which always inspires us to respect nature, because if you respect nature, the nature would protect us. So that's a lesson we need to learn. There's a monkey. There are so many monkeys out there. So my daughter got very excited. So it's a way to the falls. Now you can see the falls from here. So this is the Chalakudy River actually, which is flowing. So there are guardrails, so you cannot actually get down from here. So there is a board saying that if you get onto the river, then it would be a punishable offense. So all of us are standing here. The weather is very nice. It's 9 in the morning. It's not that sunny. In the month of May, we were expecting it to be more hot, but I think because of the green everywhere, the weather is quite pleasant. You can hear the birds chirping everywhere. If you just close your eyes, you can hear the sound of the waterfalls, the birds chirping, the butterflies. They are just roaming around here and there. Now we are taking a step forward. So we are trying to go up and trying to get a better view of the falls. So it's not too far away. It's just a 5 minutes walk from the entry gate. So it's the woods. You can see it's green everywhere. Obviously the place is so beautiful. Since it's early in the morning, there are very few tourists, but I think as the day goes along, there would be more people visiting this place. It's safe to come in the morning only because it's open till 5 p.m. But the roads, I don't think they are quite safe enough, because as we were seeing the boats which were saying that there would be elephants and other wild animals who would be crossing, so it's better to avoid the road after sunset. my daughter. She is very excited. Actually, she had been mesmerized by the cinematography of the movie Bahubali since her childhood. So she used to watch the song Dhivara and Kaun Hai Wo. So every time she used to watch it, she got mesmerized. Her eyes got glued in the videos. So it was in her bucket list that we had to make to Athirapally and Vazhachal waterfalls. So today it's a dream come true. So she is super excited to be here. So there are so many movies which had been shot out here, especially the Athirapally Waterfalls, which is the largest waterfall in Kerala. Now there is also a park inside, so she is quite enjoying that. Now from here you can see the viewpoint is the viewpoint for Athirapally Waterfalls. See the water gushing, so beautiful it is. It seems like we can stand here for hours. Thank you.